In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export LinkedIn post analytics. Understanding how your posts perform is a powerful way to learn what resonates with your audience and to fine-tune your content strategy going forward. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and along the way, I'll share a few helpful pointers so you can make the most of the data you download. First, head to linkedin.com and sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right and click your profile icon. This opens a menu with several options that relate to your profile and content. From that menu, choose Posts and Activity. This page is your personal hub for everything you've shared recently. It's a convenient way to keep an eye on performance at a glance before diving deeper into a specific post's details. Now scroll through your posts and pick the one you want to analyze. It could be a short status update, a longer article, or a video post. Any format works. Click the post to open it fully. Opening the post ensures you're looking at the complete view, including the options you'll need for analytics. Next, locate the View Analytics option. You'll usually see it beneath the post or within the post's options. Click it to open the Analytics section. Here, you'll see metrics like total views, engagement such as reactions and comments, and a breakdown of audience types. This can include job titles, industries, and where your viewers are located. Use this information to spot patterns, what topics drew the most attention, which formats work best, and who you're reaching. To export the data, look for the Export button on the Analytics page. Click Export, and LinkedIn will generate a file for you to download. The file typically comes in CSV or Excel format, which opens easily in spreadsheet tools. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's downloads list or your default downloads folder. A quick tip: rename the file with the post title and date so it's easy to find later. Once you have the file, you can sort, filter, and compare results across posts. This is especially useful for spotting trends over time and deciding what to post next. Remember, even small shifts, like refining your headline or posting at a different time, can have a measurable impact. And that's it. You've exported your LinkedIn post analytics and unlocked a simple way to make smarter, more engaging content. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.